Hi guys, how you doing? Good morning. This is how it looks outside. Yeah, it's 5 in the morning, and today we are heading to Gikomba market. And you know that market, it is always ideal when you go very early in the morning. Actually, I've just been called because we had planned to go very early in the morning. I wake up and then we set on the road, because it's only in the morning hours that you'll find good things that they call bail, first camera, that they are being open. Actually, even now as you are speaking, some people are already in Gikomba. Okay, yeah, so this is the parking area where I am, how it looks like. So stay tuned, stick to this channel until the end. So let us enter inside the car. Wow. You cannot move out without being given a pass. Yeah, so it's like that, and we are good to go. This is what we are going to go with. It's already parked. I don't know if you can see it already, the car that has the lights on, and you can see outside it's so dark. So we are heading there. Yes, Daddy, good morning.
Hey, morning.
Yeah, guys, you cannot see me, but no problem. We meet where we are going. Some kids are reporting now in school. I don't know if they are teachers. This is the school, primary school I schooled in, guys. Look how it is. Wow, so good. See children, they have started to come. Ayana Soma, PP2. So she is in PP2. I didn't plan this at all. It's just that we passed by sister's house. Then since she was going to school, and I said, why not? Let me go and reflect. Imagine, I was this tiny. Wow. So they are doing cleaning. I'm so happy. So they are going to school, and this school, guys, it is so good. It has also some swimming pool. I don't think if I'll be able to reach there. There are swimming place whereby you come to swimming lessons. Yeah, so this is the kindergarten area, like the pre-unit, PP1, you know. Then we have the upper classes just there up. It's a big school, guys. We have a field there, and I think we reach here. This is the class of my niece. Looks like that, yeah. Wow, I'm so happy. Kuja. Ukae hapo ungoje teacher, si ndio? Na marafiki zako. Wewe ndio umefika wa kwanza leo na your friend. Unaitwa nani bebe? Azineta ni rafiki yako? Wow, msome. Alafu mtalipiwa trip. Si umelipa trip? Wewe utalipiwa kesho. Si ndio? Yeah, so guys, we leave them from here. Usitoke hapa, ungoje teacher. I was telling her to remain here, wait for the teacher. Actually, I don't think swimo imefunguliwa sai. Swimo. Yeah, so the swimming is not open. So I'm not going to show you guys, because this is not the main thing we came to do. The only thing we came to do is to take the kid to let me show you. I don't think I can be able, but you see that gate there? That's the field, and it's so big. Sheshina. Yeah, it's so big. So guys, it's like that. Let us head now to where we are going. Yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so happy to reflect. Imagine, it has been so many years, like a decade, since I studied in this school. It's a primary. Then from primary you go to secondary. From secondary you go to university. So you can recall how many years those were. And I'm so happy. I used to have uniform like this, guys. Yeah. Guys, it's only that it's so early. You can see they are reporting to school. I could have gone to see the class teachers or the teachers I know, but they have not yet reached. It's that the teacher on duty that has reported, and the kids are coming to school, and they're looking at me. Hello, say hello. Yeah, so they are coming. Some are you know, they are assigned duties, and this one side of being responsible. Yeah, so I couldn't, or I cannot manage to visit the teacher. I'll wait for them because they have not yet arrived. Yeah, otherwise if they could be here, it could be better. But we are rushing. Yeah. Hey, hello. We are passing by Nisili. Sheshina, you didn't say hi. Hi. Even we cannot see you. It's darker, but it's okay. Yeah, so we are passing through a place called Isli. Isli is where the most Muslim, like Somalis, is it actually Somalis?
Yeah.
Yes, where Somalis reside. Here mostly the business premises are mostly headed by the Somalis, and the good thing about it is that out of 100%, let's say 60%, they are very faithful in business, such that they cannot hike or go down. It's just the constant price. But you know, every market cannot lack one mad person. Not all are good, because I remember there is a day I came to buy some tops, and I chose whatever I had to. Then I paid. On reaching at home, I found out they did not pack for me. And guys, remember that time I was here, I was going back to Burundi, so there is no I could claim, because I already reached my place. So it's always good also to confirm, not to just trust anyone that if you give them the clothes you have chosen and you pay, they have already packed them. No, so you need just to be careful. So this is how we are heading. Can you see? This is Sicily, the place where now they live, but now business premises, it's a bit inside, like 1 kilometer. The whole of Sicily, majority of business is for Muslims, and you find things at an affordable price and at a wholesale retail. Yeah, so you can come here if you have the mind of entrepreneurs. You buy everything you want at a discounted price, then go start your own shop in your own area. Yeah, it's such a good place to start if you don't have any options. You can be coming, picking clothes here and then selling them, even if it is online. Nobody will ask you because of hustling. Don't be ashamed of your hustle, okay? Yep. Daddy, hapa si kuna kwanga na airstrip. Yeah, so here there is an airstrip for the army. For army, this side and that side, it's an airstrip for the army, so security guarantee. And now as we are going now in front where we are going, this now we are entering Isili. The most famous building here, it is called Medina Mall. I cannot forget that. You know, Medina Mall is the meetup point. If you get lost here in Isili, just tell person I'm here at Medina Mall. They are going to relocate you. Yeah, so good like that. So guys, have a look. But so dirty now, the area is so dirty. Kenyans now, why are you shaming us? But let me tell you guys, they try as much as possible here to clean the environment, but I don't know what happened. People don't listen. They just come and drop their trash inside the rails. You see what I mean? Look at that. They drop their dust there inside the rail. So this is how Isili looks like, and it's getting at morning hours, so you understand. Yes, and it's good like this, guys. It's a good one. So when you go like that is when you go to Medina Mall. So now we are going, as I told you, we are going to Gikomba Market to do some shopping, because guys, I miss Kenyan taste, you know, the mitumba taste. It is long lasting, but also I usually like to promote like the brand clothes, the clothes from shop and the clothes for mitumba, because in where I'm going in Burundi, it's so rare to find something with the favorable price, because mostly they come pick things here in Kenya, like mutumba. They come pick them here. For those who don't know, mutumba are second-hand things, clothes, shoes, name them. So they come pick them here. Then when they go there, the price hike. Like sorry, the price hike. Yeah, but sinikule nyuma mama. Okay. This is the famous Pumwani hospital, guys. This hospital, most of Kenyans, if you are from Nairobi, most are born there. Pumwanians, how are you if you're watching me? Yeah, so most Kenyans are born there. It's a free public hospital. Yeah. Someone will ask if me I'm born from there. No, just another hospital here in Nairobi. Yeah, so I was explaining to you, when they come buy things here in Gikomba, they come now to Burundi, they hack the prices. So for me, I usually compare. If I was at home, how much could I have bought it? So there they put it like 5 times. For me, I say no, I cannot buy this thing at that price. So it's better I call home. But now the size, you cannot know the size. So I call home, they send. But also, if I'm here, why not? I take this chance, like, and we go and do the shopping. So that's where we are going. Can you show us the gunia you have carried? Look at this gunia. Do you know what is gunia? We are going to fill up that, and imagine with as low as $30. That is almost 3,000 Kenyan shillings. You can be able to buy everything you want, like for clothes for like 2 weeks. You wear without stop. Imagine, from up to down. So let me take this offer. Why not? Yeah. Sister, unajua mashimo huku. Sasa tunaenda kwa viatu ndani. In the deep, where the shoes come from. Yeah. Wow. And the area is so busy. The area is so busy. Look in front of us, guys. Yeah. So hapa ni kwa viatu tu. Yeah, this area is for shoes. And for clothes, you know every part of this area. Yeah. Wow. So today we are going to shop and shop. Yeah. Wow, so good. How did you know this place? Wow, this is a canter. It has brought some clothes. All these shoes. So goods has just entered from this car. Wow. So good. Look at these shoes. For me, I see I'm going to shop and shop. Wow. So any type of shoes unapata hapa. Sport shoes, every shoes I see. There are a lot of shoes for cycling. You can even find for cycling. Yeah. What about clothes? Can we find all clothes? Yeah. Every type of clothes. Okay. Wow. This is the biggest market in Nairobi. Okay. Guys, we are just in from the market, and I tell you guys, even filling space, there is none. So it's just squeezing, and then you have to be so careful so that you keep your things, like you secure them, because if you don't, someone can just grab. You see, you pass each other like there is no even space. Yeah, so we managed to shop everything that we did, and then now it's time we are going. Guys, look at this. Where is it? All of that. Do you know how much? Yeah, and you can see how the market is busy. Guys, imagine this now is the upper front when you move out of the market, the other side. What about inside? See, the upper part is like that. What about inside? I tell you, people are fixed, and they know this is the time. The people, if you want discount, by the way, and you are in Nairobi, kindly come the morning hours, because they know the morning hours is the time that the people come to buy, and then they go restock their stores so that they sell at a higher price. So mainly the people who come in the morning are buyers, the ones who are going to sell. So if you come that time, they are going to know that you are one of them, and those people, their price, you are going to buy at their price. But once the morning hours finish and then you come and buy one, I tell you, you are going to buy like triple the price you could have bought in the morning. So it is always advisable, come very early in the morning in Gikomba market. Don't buy one or two. Come with mentality that I'm going to buy more than something, yes, more than what you intend to buy. Because if you come buy one, they are going to give you at the price of someone, and they're going even to see you are not a trader, like you're not coming to buy in bulk so that you go and resell it. So it's always good and advisable to come in the morning. I hope you understand, guys. Yeah, so from here I head to at home, because I leave my husband with the baby. They were sleeping. What time is it, guys? Let us check. 9:56. That is almost 10 a.m. So you can tell, it can tell you the time we reached here. Imagine I was on road at 5 a.m. I was on road. Yeah, so we call it a day. At least we have managed to call it a we have managed to shop what I wanted to here in Gikomba market, and yeah, we are good to go. Mainly I like to buy here in Gikomba market, because once they people in Burundi come and buy here and then they take it to Burundi, the price hikes. So it's better if I'm here, I take this advantage. Yeah, so stay tuned. If you have not yet subscribed, remember to subscribe, comment, like and share.